How to fix Snapchat security restrictions, please try again problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update sign instead of open, update your app. Then head over to your settings application, scroll below and tap onto apps. From here, type in Snapchat, and under usage, tap onto storage. From here, tap on clear data. Before you clear your app's data, also be noted it will delete your account history and your credentials if you have saved any. If you would still like to continue, then tap on delete. If not, tap on to cancel and just clear the cache. As you do so, see if this fixes your problem. If not, head over to your web application and type in Snapchat support, then tap on submit a request. Here tap on my account was compromised. Then in here type in your username, your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, your phone number and the description of your problem. Once you do so, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to submit. And Snapchat will get back to you with your customized Snapchat will get back to you with customized solution. And that is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.